Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to fix the Facebook login error. Sometimes this happens when you're logging in, and there's a couple ways that you could possibly fix this. The first thing I'm going to show you is that you could just hold the two buttons on the side of your phone and turn your phone off and then turn it back on. You could then refresh Facebook and see whether or not that's fixed it. Another thing you can do is go over to Settings, scroll down to General, click iPhone storage near the middle of the screen, and you have to wait for it to load. So once it is loaded, you just want to find Facebook. You can either search it or just scroll down. As you can see, it's right there. You then want to select Offload App. All this will do is free up some storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data, so you don't have to worry about all your data from your account just disappearing. Once it is done offloading, just reinstall the app again, and then you just want to clear it like this. And then you just want to hop back on and see whether or not it keeps bringing up the error. Another thing it could be is if you go to the App Store and you search Facebook, it could just have an update. So I'll just go to Facebook. And I don't have an update right now. It just says open, but it'll have a little icon right there saying that you need an update. So that could also be another reason. So these are all the methods that I have today. So I hope one of these methods does help you. If they do, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. Just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.